Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Remove the case and any cables so nothing interferes. If the screen is frozen, force a restart. This does not erase data. For most phones, hold power plus volume down for about 10-15 seconds, while some require power plus volume up or power plus home. Once the device reboots, make sure to keep it charged at least 15-30 minutes before proceeding. Doing this clears temporary software hangs and gives you a baseline state to work from. Once the phone restarts, boot into safe mode to test whether a third-party app caused the freeze. To enter safe mode, press and hold power, then long press power off and tap safe mode. Different models vary, so follow prompts. In safe mode, uninstall any apps installed right before the freeze or those with background permissions. Make sure to clear app caches in settings and update remaining apps from the store. These steps remove problematic processes and restore normal responsiveness without risking personal files. If safe mode and app fixes don't help, back up your data immediately. Use Cloud Sync, a computer, or an SD card to save photos and contacts. Once backed up, perform a factory reset in settings to remove deep software corruption. This returns the system to factory state. Make sure you have credentials to sign back into accounts. If freezes continue after a reset, the issue may be hardware. Seek professional repair or use your warranty. Quick tip: if the phone gets hot, power off and avoid charging until cooled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.